Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn vibration off in iPhone. So if you want your iPhone to stop vibrating each time you have an incoming call or each time you have a text message either from Facebook, your iMessage, WhatsApp, you just want to turn off vibration completely on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn vibration off on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down until you get to sound and haptics. Click on that. Then once you select sounds and haptics, under the sound and haptics settings, locate haptics and click on it. Then here, tap never play. Then once you selected never play, this is going to turn off vibration on your iPhone. That is for incoming calls on your iPhone. Now come down to default alert to turn off vibration for incoming message, SMS, notifications on your iPhone. Then under default alert, tap haptics and then scroll down and click on none. Then once you selected none, you can just hit the back button and then you're good to go. That's going to turn off vibration on your iPhone across all your iPhone settings. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.